Good afternoon, students. How are you all? This is grade 5, your English grammar book, and today we are going to start a new chapter which is on page number 48, chapter number 9, articles. So, students, basically, there are three things which we are going to learn in this chapter, which is a, and the. Okay, a, and the. A and the. So these three words we are going to learn how we can use it, where we should use it. So let's see. Start from here. Read the conversation between Sunil and his grandmother. Fill the missing words in the blank. Grandmother: Sunil, please bring a pen for me. Here is his granny. No dear, not this one. Bring me the pen that is on my table. What's so special about that pen? It's an old fountain pen. Your grandfather gifted it to me 20 years ago. So, did you fill the words a and in the above sentences? I have already completed it, so it was not difficult for me to read it out. So, you can do it by your own, okay, without seeing here. So, the words a and the are called articles. What are the three words that are called articles? A and the. So they are used immediately before nouns. Immediately means just before nouns. Okay, so there are two types of articles: indefinite articles and definite articles. Okay, so there are two types of articles: indefinite and definite articles. So let's see the indefinite articles first, which is a and the. Okay, a and n, sorry. So indefinite articles is which shows the possession about one thing, a and n. So a and n are called indefinite articles because they are usually referred to any person or thing. We use a or n when we are talking about something that is common in and not specific. For example, I am going to visit a doctor. I'm going to visit a doctor means one doctor. Can I have an umbrella, please? Do you have a phone? So in the above sentences, a and n are used before common nouns doctor, umbrella, and phone. So where we can use it, it's all about the consonants and vowels. Okay, you must have heard about 5 vowels. You must have been reading it, learning it since your childhood. So 5 vowels are there: a, e, I, o, u. In those 5 vowels we use n, and other than every alphabet is called consonant, right? So for the consonants we use a. So always remember, students, a and n stand for one thing. Okay, only for one thing. So this is how you can go through it by your own again, okay, for your better comprehension. Now there are some rules to use indefinite articles. A and n are used before singular countable nouns, singular, which is one in number, and countable, which can be counted. Okay, for examples, a box, an ice cream, a girl. We cannot use a and n before plural nouns because a and n means one or single thing, person or object, etc. So we can use a and n before only for one thing. Okay, there are horses in the field. Okay, there are horses in the field. That is incorrect. So there are horses, that's correct. For the horses we cannot use a. We use a before the words beginning with the consonant sounds, as I have already told you: book, women, fly, a cat. We use n before the words that begin with the vowel sound: apple, egg, ink pot, orange, umbrella. As you can see, a, e, I, o, u, 5 vowel words are given over here. So today in this chapter, students, I am stopping my reading till here. Okay, and you don't have to do any kind of workout today. You just have to read out this passage. Okay, you have to read out about the definite articles, the, and using no articles as well. So you have to do the reading of these two things. Okay, so do the reading, students, and in the next turn we'll be understanding all the workouts and many more details about the definite articles. So complete your work, students, and have a nice day.